How to save your first $500. Simple plan anyone can do. Most people never save their first $500. Not because they can't, but because no one showed them how. Today, I'm breaking down a simple plan that anyone, even if you're broke, can use to hit $500 quickly. Step 1. Track everything. Write down every expense, even that $200 snack. Awareness is the first step. Step 2. Apply the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. If income is small, flip it. Save at least $100 daily. Step 3. Cut silent leaks. Subscriptions, fast food, data bundles. Cut one, and you'll be shocked how much piles up. Step 4. Automate savings. Use a savings app or bank standing order so money leaves before you touch it. If you follow this system, your first $500 won't take years. It could happen in just a few months. What would you do with your first $500 saved? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more smart money tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.